Okay, let's try and build a Soma cube. This is challenging stuff. I did not expect it to be quite this hard. I created a folder, and then you might think, oh, you've just done one piece. Actually, I'm doing all the pieces in the same file. I don't know how to describe it. I've never seen it like this before. So here they are on the bottom, piece 1, piece 3. I wonder if I could drag that over there. Yeah, love it, have them in order. Piece 2, piece 3, piece 4. The colors are not exactly the same as the cube I have. I just want them all to be different colors. So far so good. Something you may or may not know about, you hit this button over here and it shows you the 4 tabs. My tabs were gone on the bottom. They just vanished. I don't know where they went to. So I went up and hit OnShape and I went back in the file and there they were. So eventually I'm going to assemble them, so that's why I'm putting them all together here. So I hit plus and I want to create a part, studio part. That's what we've been doing. So I am on part 5. And I will rename it piece 5. I've got purple, yellow, let's go with orange. And I like to give it a little description. Call it up and left. And you can disagree or agree with that, we'll see. So it's a sketch, and hopefully making the part is the easy part for you, because it should be by now. Missed. Somehow jumped out of sketch. Boy, I'm having a ball here. Try again. Origin. There we go. 1.6. 1.6. That's 2 times 0.8. Missed it somehow there. Get out of here. And I think if I can give a better example is never rush. All right, take your time, no rush. Trim. Notice there's 2 on top of each other, so when I trim it looks like nothing happens. Get rid of it twice. Finish sketch. Extrude that area. 0.8. Notice I don't type 0.8 inches, it does it automatically for me. Okay, I believe I've just done this wrong. No, I have not. All right, finish with that. Get rid of my views, a little bit easier to see. And then start a sketch here. Hit extrude. Click, start a sketch here. Better. Need a rectangle from here, pardon me, a square to here, so I don't have to dimension it. It does it for me. I think I've done this wrong. Yep, I don't want a square there, so I'm going to delete this. Spin it around. I want a square on the back side. Yes. So I'm holding the piece in front of me. You can't see it, of course. And it just, before I ran off, I took my time and actually did things right there. So let's look at this, and let's make a rectangle from here to here. Finish. Extrude. 0.8. Check. And let's see how I did. Good. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. Now, something else you may not have seen before, I'm going to drag and drop over the whole thing. Right click, edit appearance, and I said I'm going to go with orange. Check. By the way, you can hit mixer here. You got a lot more colors to choose from if you want to play with that. And it did not stick. Right click, edit appearance, orange, check. There we go. And actually, my OCD means I have to turn it and look at it properly. Front, right, top. Good. Alrighty, let's make another piece. That's piece 5. Create part studio. Wait for it. Rename it. Piece 6. blue, up and right. Front, sketch, 1.6, 1.6. Want to clear out a square in the bottom corner, 0.8, 0.8. Done with that, trim away the excess. Finish and extrude. Turn off all my views. Point 0.8. So these two pieces are very similar. This was what I was trying to do last time, is put a sketch in the wrong spot here. Rectangle here to here. Lines up so I don't have to dimension it. Extrude. 0.8. Drag and drop the whole thing. Right click, edit appearance, blue. Nice. One more piece. Port Studio. Rename. Piece 7. I'll make sure I don't repeat a color. Green, purple, yellow, pink, orange, blue, red, small L, because there's a big L over there. All right, front, sketch, look at it. 1.6, 1.6. I think I just hit the volume. Another piece up here, 0.8, 0.8. Now it looks like I actually hit the center point, so this is redundant because the center point is 0.8 over, so I'm just going to get rid of it. And then I'm going to trim, 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 trim. Finish. Turn off my views. Extrude it, 0.8. Color it red. Okay, I have my 7 pieces right across the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. No, for a second I thought I saw the same color twice. 6, 7. Let's go make an assembly. We're going to bring all these in. This is goofy. Be prepared. All right. I'm going to bring this piece in first, and I'll explain why. I happen to know this is going to be on the bottom of my assembled puzzle. So we are going to be done with that. We're going to right-click, and we're going to fix it. This is pure chaos if you don't fix it. I mean, just absolutely essential to fix it. Okay, let's get back to inserting, and we'll bring them all in. You, and I'll just chuck you up here. You, I'll chuck you over here. You, over here. You, here. You, here. You, here. Done. All right, now I can spin this, and I better get good at it, and I can drag it because I'm going to need it. So first things first, I want to have this piece right here matched up with this piece on green. This takes time. Don't rush it. I'm going to use a planar mate, and you're going to experiment with all of these up here. Okay? Parallel mate, tangent mate, ball mate, pin slot, cylindrical, slider, revolute, fastened. Right now I'm going to try and do all this with a planar mate. This is very dicey to me. I hover over it, all right, and it says, yeah, you can use this plane. Pick one of my points for me. So I picked that one. Why? Because I think that one matches up, I think is the operative word here, with this one. So I zoom in, I say, yeah, I want this plane, I want this point. Now sometimes I click the plane and then the point. Wait for it. Nope, looks like I did not get the other plane. Don't know what happened to it. So I will just say this one. And there they are. I'm going to hit the check mark here, and then I'm going to take a look at them. Looks really good. All right, they're flush on all the sides. This used to be, in our previous software package, a significant hassle, to put it mildly. Now, I want the pieces when I put them in to be somewhat like where they're going to go. So this blue one, I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to put it flush with this 4 points right here in space. You're probably like, what? So yeah, I agree. So I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to use this to spin it. So I'm happy with it. These little curvy things spin it. All right, not the way I wanted to spin it. Let me try this one. Yeah, that's a lot better. But I still think I should spin it down a little bit. All right, so that's pretty close to the way I'm going to match them up. I'm going to do this plane here and the bottom of this plane here. So let's see how this works. Planar mate. I'm going to pick that point on the corner. I'm going to say that should go right there with that corner. And it knocks it right into place. I'm going to check it, and then I'm going to check it out. Looks good. Now, if you ever had to rotate this, there's options for that. Got all sorts of choices. Now I want the red one. I'm going to move the red one over. So you find the arrow, not the swirly bar. Drag it all the way over here. And I want to spin it a little bit. I think this one should do it. Yep. So now that's pretty close to what it's going to look like. I'm going to mate this face here with this face here. Hopefully it works. Doesn't have to be perfect, just I think it's a healthy thing to get it close. So I want this face corner to go with this face corner. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. This face corner. Wait. That actually happened very quickly. Check. Great. I got the bottom half built. It looks like there's a big old gap in there. Looks like I built it wrong. Oh, that's so upsetting, isn't it? Why is there a gap in here? Because I rushed, probably. Let's get out of here. All right, so either the blue is wrong or the red is wrong. It looks like the blue is wrong. Well, the blue's got a gap on both sides here. So let's go find that blue piece. See if I can fix it. I'd love to say I did this on purpose, but I did not. So let's see what I did with sketch 1. 1.6, 1.6. Let's dimension this just to make sure. How far is it from here to here? That's not right. 0.8. And how about from here to here? Oh, that looks like it's right. 0.8. All right. Finish. Should update. Let's see what I did on my second sketch. Make sure that one's right too. Well, I just slapped it on there, so it's going to automatically update. Okay, let's see if that did it. Hopefully it did. And if I'm not mistaken, we have to hit an orange button somewhere to update. Well, it fixed that right there. Nice. So we just don't have these matched up. I have to figure out what mate is wrong here. It's fascinating to me. I think that's the one I want. The first one was purple to green. The second one I think is wrong. Delete. Let's see if I can't do a better job here. And let's drag this away a little bit. Good, so you notice they're still mated. The power of CAD. Make mistakes, fix them on the fly. All right, here we go. Make sure I get the face and then the point. Good. Face, then the point. Blunk. The old software also made a nice little clunking noise, which I just thought was the greatest thing ever. And now this is wrong, probably because I did it differently. You go up there. You get deleted. All right. Now the red and the blue need to be fixed. That's fine. I'm going to move the red out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. Cool. And let's go back and mate. All right, zoom in. I want this corner. Get the plane, get the corner. Should go together. I don't think I clicked it. I didn't click it. Check. And it looks like we're good this time. This is why I'm making a whole video. I wanted to turn you guys loose and get out of the way, but it's tricky. It's very, very dicey. All right, almost there. I think I know how this one goes. Yes, I do. I need to spin it a little bit. All right, so you, no, I'm not made anymore. You, I want to spin like that. Yeah, exactly like that. I also want to move you over a little bit so I can see what's going on. Cool. Done. I want to put this piece and the red piece. No, I do not. I want to put this piece on the red piece. So let's give that a shot. Mate. Zoom in. I get that, and I want the corner. Good. And I get this, and I want the corner. Actually, just click that one twice. And it did not work. And the red is not locked. Oh my. X. Not sure what that just happened. Let's see if I can do it again. So this piece, and I want the corner. This piece, and I want the corner. And it works. Welcome to frustration. It's just the way it's going to be. Okay, this one I got to move. I need you back a little bit. I need you over a bunch. Hello. I need you over a bunch. And I need to spin you. I'm not sure which way. Let's try this one. And then I need to spin you this way. One more. Yeah, that looks like it's about lined up. Let's go with the green face and the bottom face. So we're going to mate. Corner. Corner. See if we got lucky. I'm going to check it because I can always delete it. Hoo-hoo, looking good. One last piece to go. Let's pull this piece up a bit. Get out of here. Up. Let's spin it. Looks about right. And let's go at the top corner. You. And the top corner. You. Should plop right into place. Check. I do have two yellow pieces. Why do I have two yellow pieces? Am I that dumb? Oh, one of them's orange. All right, let's go fix that too. So I think that's where I want, right? Nope. There we go. That's front, top, back. Pretty slick. All right, so where's orange? I need orange. Click over on orange. Highlight. Right click, edit appearance. We need to be bright orange. Yeah, let's try the mixer. You need to be an almost red orange. And you know what? I'm fine with that. See if that works. And let's see if it updates. Wrong one. Assembly. Hey, yeah, now it's orange. Now I can see the different pieces. Wish I'd done all that on purpose to show you how often you might think, that's it, I got to start from scratch. No, you just have to go back and fix things. One of the critical points was to make sure you don't blow it on the dimensions, which I did. So that was fun. All right, now some real fun. Let's see if we can't make an exploded view. All right, I'm going to get this out of the way, and we're going to zoom out. We're going to explode this view so we can see everything. You might be asking yourself, what the heck's an exploded view? Here you go, I'll show you. Click on a piece and drag it away. I'm going to drag this one out here. Spin it a little bit. Pink, I'm going to do 2 drags. Done. Explode this piece out. Nope, not going to do 2 drags, just 1. Done. Explode this piece up. Done. Explode this piece out. Notice it points left, but you can grab it and bring it out to the right. Done. This piece is going to go out. Done. And this piece is going to go down. And let's see how I did. Done. It's pretty good, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Actually, let's turn it on its side a little more. Let's take you and move you a little bit further over. Cool. Now, theoretically, you can see everything when you see how to, put it together if the exploded view is good enough, but I don't think so. Let's name a view. Let's go with the ISO exploded view. And add. And get rid of. Done. There's our exploded view. Hey, where'd it go? Yeah, we're done. Get rid of it. So we hit this and it goes back. No. There. There. Yes. It goes back. All right. Now, great. Mostly done. Exploded view. We got to make drawings. So create a drawing. Now I am starting to get out there. I'm going to go with created by me, even though I think it was sitting right there. And I have 2 I have not to use because I'm smart enough to label it. Hit OK. And now I need to put all these pieces in. So I need 7 drawings. But I also need the final drawing, right? I'm going to get rid of this. You can come back and do that. But notice it says sheet 1 of 1. We're going to add sheets. I'm going to get rid of insert view, and I'm going to try and find the add sheet view, which I bet I can't find right now. Sheet 1, insert, crop, all this stuff. I found it earlier. Version, nope. Nope. All right, so we're going to create new sheets. We're going to put a piece in here. Let's see if I put a piece in, then it lets me create a new sheet. Insert, click on insert, and let's go with piece 1. Sure. So boom. And it should give me projected view. No, I want projected view. It gave it to me. You. Taking its time here. And you. All right, so I've got it nice symmetric. I need to show hidden lines. I need to put dimensions on it. All right, and then I turn that off. Let's see if it'll let me put a new sheet in here somewhere. Section view, broken out, detail view, break view, crop view. Oh, I'll have to figure out how to do that. I am not going to do this. I'm just going to show you where the exploded view was. All right. So, hey, I don't want to use that piece. I want to insert the exploded view, which I will have to figure out too. So I don't see it there. Oh, sorry. So I got to figure out how to add a sheet, and I have to figure out how to do an exploded view. I'll get to it. That's a really good start. Give you a lot to do.